Good morning, respected principal, esteemed teacher, and my dear friends. Today, as the sun rises, it brings with it a new opportunity, a fresh start to learn, to grow, and to become the best version of ourselves. Every day is a blank page, and we hold the pen to write our own stories. Let's make today meaningful, purposeful, and filled with positivity. With this thought, let's begin our morning assembly. A prayer is not just words, it is the soul conversation with the divine. It is a moment where we seek strength, wisdom, and guidance for the day ahead. Let's bow our head, join our hands, and immerse ourselves in the sacred moment. To lead us in the morning prayer, I would like to invite Ananya Sharma on stage. Let's all stand in devotion and begin our day with gratitude. A single thought has the power to transform our perspective and set the tones for the entire day. A positive thought is like the first rays of sunlight, gentle yet powerful enough to illuminate the darkest corner of our minds. To share today's thought and inspire us all, I would like to invite Rahul Verma to the stage. Let's listen carefully and take this wisdom into our day. Knowledge is the torch that lights up our path. Staying informed about the world around us not only make us aware citizen but also help us make wiser decisions. Now to update us with the latest happening around the globe and within our school, let's welcome Sanaya Kapoor for the news bulletin. Talent is a gift that shines brighter when shared with others. The stage is a place where dreams take shape, where confidence is built, and where self expression finds its voice. To make our morning assembly more delightful, we have a special performance prepared by Rohan Gupta and groups. Let's welcome them with a big round of applause. Character is built not by what we say, but by what we know. Values shape us, define us, and guide us through life's toughest moment. Today, to enlighten us with an inspiring speech on the value of perseverance, I invite in Sita Mehra to the stage. Let's listen carefully and reflect on this important lesson. Learning should never be a one-way street. It should be an engaging journey. A quiz is not just about testing knowledge, it is about challenging ourselves, thinking on our feet, and expanding our horizon. Now let's make our assembly a little more interactive with a fun quiz. I will ask a few questions and whoever knows the answer can raise their hand and participate. A leader's words have the power of shape our vision and inspire us to push our limits. Our principle is not just a guide but a source of wisdom and encouragement. Now I take the privilege to inviting our respected principal to share some words of wisdom with us. As we stand together as students of this great nation, let's take a moment to express our love and respect for our motherland. The national anthem is not just a song, it is a promise, a commitment, and a reminder of these values we stand for. Now let's all stand in attention and sing our national anthem with pride. As we conclude this assembly, let's step into the day with energy, enthusiasm, and a determination to do our best. Remember, success is not about luck, it is about effort, discipline, and consistency. Let's make today count.